We are tracking Hurricane Dorian, a strong storm with a bullseye on Central Florida. A lot of sites that we are familiar with, long lines at the gas stations, communities filling sandbags. They are doing what we did before Harvey and so many other hurricanes, getting prepared. Frank will join us in just a moment, but with the latest track. But first, we want to get to Channel 2's Brandon Walker live in Melbourne, Florida. Brandon.
And a good evening to you, Keith. A beautiful night here. Residents in this part of Florida, all up and down the East Coast, the state for that matter, watching to see what Dorian's going to do.
It's really nice living on the beach.
Paradise on the peninsula is how those who live along Melbourne Beach like to think of it. But with the charm that is coastal living, sometimes there's a cost. Carl and Carol Andren have lived here for 40 years. Tonight, like most, they're watching the forecast.
Right now, it's looking at the whole state of Florida. And many times in the past, we've evacuated, and the center ended up chasing us.
Florida's entire peninsula is in Dorian's strike zone. Worries stretch from the Florida Keys up the East Coast. At this Walmart in Orlando, a mad dash for provisions, water at a premium, empty shelves, long lines, and a rush to restock. Of course, gas stations are busy. Hardware stores, too, as hundreds of thousands of Floridians get ready.
Extension cords, anything that they can use that are going to give them the survival.
Up north in Jacksonville, residents filled sandbags. Meantime, back south along the coast, Central Florida's Brevard County, they're all out for the day. Statewide, the warning is to be prepared.
There's, any portion of Florida could take the brunt of a strike.
So you got to prepare for water, and you got to prepare to lose power.
Yeah, Florida Governor Rick DeSantis there, the governor issuing a state of emergency yesterday, expanding it today. As far as where we are in Brevard County, there's also a local state of emergency. I mentioned those sandbags running out a little earlier. They're going to have them tomorrow. They're urging folks who may need them to get in line early so that they can get what they need before the storm washes ashore. We are live in Florida tonight. I'm Brandon Walker, KPRC Channel 2 News.
All right, Brandon, thank you.